In addition to the overview of the course syllabus, I also wanted to provide you with just a brief introduction or overview of the Sakai course site that has been created for ETE 100. You can see here when you go into our course site over here on the left-hand side, I have the schedule, which is taken directly from your syllabus outlining what is due each week over the course of our 8-week semester. Also on the right hand side, you'll see here are the announcements for ETE 100, and whenever I send out an announcement, I'll also generate an email, so make sure you keep up with that. You'll see here in the tabs, you've got the syllabus tab where you can click there and download the syllabus itself. You have the class blog. When you click on the ETE 100 class blog, then what you'll do is there is a link here which will launch the ETE 100 blog site. You can see it's at ete100.blogspot.com. Once you send me the link to your blog, then I will upload it here to our ETE 100 blog site, and that way you can access other blogs of students in class so that you can complete your response during those weeks in which that is one of the assignments that we have. There is a grade book here. You can follow along, and you can keep track of your grade on the weekly assignments, including the two major projects, the Prezi presentation and the Weebly, in addition to your blog posts and responses. And then in the resources folder, once again, then you can open up in the course syllabus and video module links. You'll have a link to the course syllabus, again, same one as back here on the syllabus link. And then there's also a link to the video modules, and that is this document here, which you can click on and go to a short Panopto video module over each of the assignments. And I recommend that when you start an assignment, including this particular introduction as well as the introduction over the course, you've got a link to Panopto video module over the Blogger assignment, the Prezi, each of the components of the Prezi, the mind map app we're using, the word cloud, the YouTube video that you're going to link to your Prezi, and then the second half major project, the Weebly web page. You've got a link to that, an overview of that assignment. And then we're using 3 apps here as well: Delicious Bookmarks, Jing Screencast, and Rubistar. And there's a separate Panopto video module, 5-10 minutes in length, that introduces how to use that particular app. So before you start any assignment or start using any of the applications, just make sure you view the Panopto video module where I give an introduction over that particular app. And just note here, like it says here with the Blogger assignment, in the past it's just been a post, but now in spring semester 2015 I've added the response. So you'll see in the video it gives detailed information on how to set up your Blogger account and do the post, but there's no mention of the response that you'll be doing during some of the weeks. So just make sure you make a note of that, and just follow what's in the syllabus in terms of whether during that week you're doing a blog post or doing a response. Again, this is the Panopto video link page that's in this folder here. The blog assignment, again, when you go in there, then you can download the actual assignment handout. And then for each of the assignment handouts, as I mentioned earlier, at the bottom of the page there is a link to the actual tutorial. This is the same link that you found on that one page, which was kind of a one-stop shop where all of the links are listed. So it's a little bit of intentional duplication in that regard. That's in the blog 1, or folder 1, blog assignment. In the Prezi, you've got a handout, a separate handout for each of the components. One that's an overview of the Prezi assignment, and then one that introduces each of the apps that you're using that are sort of subsumed within that assignment itself. And then in the 03 folder, Weebly web page assignment, same thing. You've got an overview of the Weebly web page and all of the expectations for that assignment. And then we're using 3 different apps: the Delicious Bookmarks, Jing Screencast, and Rubistar. And you'll have a link that goes to each of those that introduces how to use those particular apps as well. And again, that's just a brief overview of the resources that we have available on our ETE100 Sakai course site. As always, if you have any questions throughout the next 8 weeks, please feel free to email me, text me on my cell, give me a call, or if you want to Skype or do Google Hangouts, just give me drop me an email or text me and let me know, and then I'll be able to do the video chat as well, if that's the way that you want to communicate with me. Again, I'm available whether it's during the regular business hours, Monday through Friday, but also as you're working on assignments, whether it's in the evenings or on the weekends. Feel free to text or email me as well. Again, I hope your experience this semester in ETE100 is both an informative and a rewarding one. Thank you.